Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to crochet lavender flowers. The crocheting process is very simple and quick, suitable for beginners. If you like it, let's get started. First, we'll crochet the lavender. We use a purple yarn and make a slip knot. We chain 33. Here we have 33 chains. Now we find the third chain from the hook and make 2 double crochets in this same chain. From the next chain to the last chain, we do 1 slip stitch, chain 5 and 1 slip stitch in each chain. For example, in the next chain, we do 1 slip stitch, chain 5 and 1 slip stitch in the same chain. Now first, I will make a slip stitch in the next chain. Then chain 5. After that, in the same chain, we continue to make a slip stitch. So I have completed this chain. Next, in the next chain, we also perform the same pattern. First, I make a slip stitch in the next chain. We chain 5. And in the same chain, we do a slip stitch. Similarly, in the next chain, we do 1 slip stitch, chain 5, and 1 slip stitch in the same chain. Next, we do the same with the remaining chains. Here I have finished the last chain. Then we chain 1 and cut yarn. We tie the 2 tails together. Then use a yarn needle to hide them. we will need 2 lavender flowers. Next, we will crochet the leaf. We use a green yarn and make a slip knot. We chain 20. So that's 20 chains. Then we find the second chain from the hook and make 1 single crochet in this chain. In the next chain, we do 1/2 double crochet. In the next 5 chains, we do 1 double crochet in each chain. Here we got 5 double crochets. In the next chain, do 1/2 double crochet. Then do 1 single crochet in the next chain. Do 1 slip stitch in the next chain. Do 1 single crochet in the next chain. In the next chain, do 1/2 double crochet. In the next 5 chains, we make 1 double crochet in each chain. So that's 5 double crochets. Do 1/2 double crochet in the next chain. And in the last chain, do 1 single crochet. Then chain 1. Next, we crochet on the opposite side. We'll crochet and hide the yarn at the same time. In the first stitch, we do 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, we do 1/2 double crochet. In the next 5 stitches, we make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Then we do 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. Do 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Now we can cut this tail. In the next stitch, we do 1 slip stitch. We continue to do 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Do 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. In the next 5 stitches, we do 1 double crochet in each stitch. In the next stitch, do 1/2 double crochet. And in the next stitch, do 1 single crochet. And we chain 1. Now we do a slip stitch into the first stitch. We chain 1 and cut the yarn. Then we use a yarn needle to hide the tail. Then we will crochet the string. We use a green yarn and make a slip knot. Leave a long tail for sewing in the next step. Then we chain 45. Here we got 45 chains. Now we cut yarn and leave a long tail. Finally, we will finish this keychain. Now we thread the 2 ends of the string through the yarn needle. Then insert the needle into the 2 slip stitches of the leaf. Then pull the yarn through. Next, we sew the lavender flower onto the end of the string. Do the same with the other flower.